What's up, YouTube? It's J-Bo back again. I got a new exciting series for you guys. My buddy actually came across a good deal on a auction car. It's a 350Z. I'm not sure of the year, but it actually has a lot of goodies on it. Makes us really excited to tear this thing apart to see what's going on with it. Do have some bad news with it already, but we're just trying to dig into it more to see what we can actually either salvage from it, to see what's the worth of of this whole project here. So let me show you what it is. 350Z with some Workmeisters on it. Like I said, it has a whole bunch of goodies on it. It's a Grady turbo kit. Has the fuel pressure regulator on it. Has some little underdrive pulleys on it. Oil cooler. If we look under here, has some strut braces, sway bars, or even like a chassis brace. I'm pretty sure it has like some type of fuel pumps inside, like aftermarket. It's been sitting for a while. It's been sitting for, I don't even know how long, like probably since 2015 or something like that. Interior's in good condition. Just need to clean up. It's been sitting for a while. Got some gauges. Like I said, it's been sitting for a while, so it has some outdated tech. Got a knock detector, some type of what is that, electronic tuning system from Blitz. He says that it has a Haltech standalone system in it. So yeah, we're gonna tear apart this thing. First thing, we want to determine if the motor is good, because the news is that he drained the oil and it was looking a little metallic-y. So we're gonna actually jack it up and pull the pan off, see if the bearings are in good condition, and determine that. I mean, go from there. Like, if the motor is good, that we're hoping that those are break-in miles that cause the oil to look like that, but we don't know how many miles are on the kit. So yeah, let's start digging into it. Well, actually, first let's clean it up a little bit. I want to get this engine bay cleaned up. Let's see how it looks, so we can just start working on it. All right, so it's jacked up. Like I said before, first thing we want to check the engine, the condition of the engine. So I'm gonna drop the oil pan. This actually has the Grady kit, like I said, so it has the Grady oil pan. So we're gonna drop the lower oil pan and see if we can see any type of rod bolts, so we can get the condition of the rod bearings, because we did see some glitter in the oil. So hopefully it's just the bearings. We replace the bearings and everything will be good. So let me set y'all guys up so I can take this oil pan off. All right, so we got some bad news. I just got done popping off the lower oil pan. What is this? This looks like the crank shim, what do you call it? Yeah, this is all bad. Dang, it's so thick. It's all metal. Yeah, sorry brother, but yeah, we need a new motor because this ain't gonna work. It looks good under the engine, but yeah, not with the oil pan looking like that. So this is how it looks under there. Definitely looks like somebody rebuilt it. The pickup has some stuff in it. Yeah, so we don't even need to take off any type of rod caps to see what type of condition the bearings are in, because yeah, that was enough information in the low oil pan. All right, well, looks like this motor has to come out, and I'm not sure if he's gonna do anything with this car as in trying to rebuild it, but because it'll take a lot to get this motor where he probably wants it to be, and there's a lot of goodies on here to where he bought this from an auction. You know, it has the Workmeister's wheels on it, has the turbo kit, has a lot of goodies on it that you can probably still reuse. So he's probably gonna try to get his money back and just cut it as a loss. All right, well, I'll give you an update once I hear some news from the owner. So this car came with some goodies. You know, it has Gorilla rods in it. I'm not sure of the pistons, but there's some damage right there that I'm not sure how it happened. Let me know if this is actually gonna cause this engine to not be salvageable, or if we could still work with it. Of course, we're gonna send it to the machine shop to have him go over it, do his inspection, make sure that we can still use this block. But in the future, we're still going to tear it down, see what other kind of goodies we have inside the long block or even the short block. So see right there, there's the rod. It doesn't look like there's ARP head studs or rod bolts on it. We can't see the head studs yet, but we're going to get to that probably in the next episode. So yeah, that just looks like probably the stock rod cap bolts. All right, so update on the Salvaged, what was it, 350Z. All right, so I ended up pulling off the lower oil pan. The oil was really, you know, metallic-y, but I did find that there's a built motor. So it does have forged rods, forged pistons, could have some other work done like billet cradle. But we'll find out more information when we tear it all down. We got the engine, or we got everything to this point right here. So we are going to take the motor out, strip it down, send it to a machine shop, see if they can salvage the block. And then, you know, of course, we're going to put it back together. And, you know, hopefully I'm going to show y'all everything along the way. Next step is to just keep tearing it down, take the motor out. We got most of the parts over there. All right, and I'll set up some time lapse for you guys next time so you can see the tear down. But until then, y'all stay posted.